Hello and welcome to my presentation of page performance of Golden Dragon's website done by Google Analytics. Since I'm passing this information to my next coming analytics person, I would like to mention a little about Google Analytics. Google Analytics is a free based web analytics service offered by Google that tracks and reports the website traffic. Since there are many other analytic tools available on the internet like Adobe Analytics, I would like to mention what is the difference between other analytics and Google. Google Analytics provides us with key features like e-commerce tracking, goals, which once assigned help us understanding how much more work we have to put in to achieve them. We can connect to AdWords, we can have a site search, we have campaigns, safety net profiles, filter out your internal traffic, and most importantly, we get to connect to Google Webster tools. Now, mentioning a little about my website, goldendragons.in. Golden Dragons is an Indian-based in business which teaches people how to have self-defense and discipline in life. It is majorly based on the fact that they teach martial arts so that people have a method to get out of any situation by having a little self-defense. The three major aspects that of life, that is physical, mental, spiritual, are made strong by this organization. Now, coming to my part of page performance, I would like to mention that page performance can be measured and has been measured by using these 5 of the behavior aspects and the social landing pages. Now, going to my Google Analytics page, this is my Google Analytics page, and here I have connected my Golden Dragons website with its views. Now, going exactly to the first one, that is behavior pages. We measure the characteristics of behavior that happen to the pages. This is done by looking for the going to behavior, events, and then pages. This helps us finding out the total number of events that have been occurring over each page during the week, that is from April 17th to April 23rd. Here we can see that there were around 44 events, and on April 18th we had only 5 events, which reduced to 2 and which stayed to 2 for a long time, and then on April 22nd we have 5 events, and on April 23rd we have 13 events. This is only for the week, but now if we keep comparing over the week and then month, we get to see that there has been only some activity this month from April 17th to April 23rd. Now, if we take this total number of events and compare it with total number of sessions that have been occurring, we get to see that there were around 6 sessions in which we had 44 events on April 17th, and there were 3 events on 3 sessions with 13 total number of events occurring. This also helps us in showing that how each page has been used and how many number of events have been occurred on each page. For example, on the home page we get to see that we have 39 events, and on the home view page we have 8 events, and this has been so on, so knowing that on the view gallery page we only had 1 event. This can be also taken out as a report which can be done by you click on export, and we have a CSV related report, a TSV, and an Excel, a spreadsheet, and finally a PDF report. A PDF report looks something similar to this, where we get to see the entire same thing again, but just it is made in the format of Google report done by Google so that the users can understand easily. Now, moving to the next one of landing pages. Landing pages can be observed by going into behavior, moving to site contents, and then clicking on landing pages. Landing pages are the pages that are the initial pages where user enters to the website. to a website, whichever page the user enters first is the landing page. For some people, for some websites, it is usually the home page, and for some websites, it is the page where it has been shared the most, like a social on a social media. Now, here we get to compare only stuff about the landing pages. Here we can see that we had 4 sessions on the landing page, and if we are comparing by the site usage, that is pages per average session duration, we get to see that on Monday, April 17th, we had 4 sessions, and each session average was around 19 to 20 minutes. And on April 23rd, that is today, yesterday, we get to see that there were 5 sessions with around 5 minute average duration. Now, mostly we observed that the home page or the home view page were the landing pages, where on home page we had 18 sessions, out of which 50%, that is 9 of them, were new sessions, whereas the other 9 were old. And on the home view page, we get to see that there were 2 sessions, and all of them were totally done by new users. And this can be again taken into a report by using export dot and then PDF. Now moving to the next part, exit pages. Exit pages are those pages which are the pages from where user usually leaves. By understanding what are the exit pages, we can understand that what part of the website the user doesn't like. In this, we can get to see that there were so many pages. These are the total number of pages of the website and of the business website of business, and of that, usually most of the people left from the home page itself. That is 15 exits had happened from this, and on from the contact us page, no user ever left. This can be compared with number of exits with the number of page views. Here there were 4 exits and there were 38 page views. So, and over here we had 5 exits and after having 24 page views. This again can be measured on a weekly, daily and a monthly basis, and can be taken as an export. So we, for learning something new, would try to click on this week and then take this export and click on the PDF. This report will be downloaded here, which is created by Google, and they try their best to make it as simple as possible so that any new user can understand it. Here we get to see that this has been downloaded as an exit pages report. Now moving to the next topic of search pages. Search pages are the pages that have been opened by doing various searches. Here we get to see that by doing various searches, we got to the home page, and then a gallery. Here we get to see the total number of unique searches that happened, with total number of site usage, that is how much of time was spent after searching for the page. That is, here we had 2 new searches, whereas after the search there was 10 minutes of time spent. Now moving on to the next one, that is publisher pages. I would like to mention that we have not done much work on the publisher pages, and I would request the new upcoming developer who's taking this project to work on it. Other than that, we have landing pages in social, which is showing that how many users have landed on our website because of the social referral links. But since our website is not connected to Facebook, I would request the new coming project member to have a web social link, and that can convert the through this a lot of users would be entering our website, and we will have a lot of landing pages. Right now it is 0 because we do not have any social referral connected, and we do not have any users entering our website or landing on our pages because of the social shares. Other than this, I would like to mention to our new project members to work on the website and find out the data, how many people have been entering our website, on which page do they like to stay more, and which page they do not like where they exit. If we collect this data and analyze it, we can help the marketing team of our company, of our business, to make them understand what is good in our business and what is not, and they would have a much better idea of how to interact with the users. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I request you to work as much as on this website and have a